In today's video, I'll show you how to print appointments in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want a physical copy of your schedule for the day, week, or month, this method will help you stay organized. First, log in to your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Calendar section from the left-hand menu. This is where all your appointments are displayed. Now select the date range you want to print. You can switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views depending on what you need. Next, look for the Print option in the Calendar menu or Browser menu. Click on it and Acuity will format your calendar view into a printable layout. Before printing, review the schedule carefully to make sure all appointments are showing correctly, including time, client names, and service types. You can also adjust your browser's print settings if needed, such as orientation, margins, or scale to make the layout clearer. Once everything looks good, click Print and choose your printer or save it as a PDF. Now you'll have a physical or digital copy of your appointment schedule for easy reference. If you don't see a direct print button, you can also use your browser's shortcut to print the page. Before finishing, double-check that the printed version matches your actual booking calendar. And that's it! You've successfully printed appointments in Acuity Scheduling and created a backup of your schedule. And that's how you print appointments in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.